It's me again. Sad day today. Short video for this one. Sa Elite. Kagabi. A very bad news. Singit ko lang tong video na to. Just to update you, no? Tagal na tayong hindi nakagawa ng video dito sa Elite. And sad thing na nabangga. Kahapon. Kagabi. Boom! Si Elite, this car is brand new, guys. If you've been watching the videos on this car, konti lang naman nagawa natin na videos dito, trip videos. Nabangga siya. This is a 2022, 23, I don't know. I forgot the year model. Pero the driver was driving. Nakatutok ata sa L300. Tapos yung steel plate ng L300, yung stepping board sa likod, yun ang nabangga niya. Pumasok dito. So the damage is pretty bad, no? But I think we can fix this. So, kaya ako, bihira talaga ako magpa-drive sa driver. Kasi you just don't have the control, no? Pag nagpapadrive ka sa driver, sila yun. So, pag ako nagpapadrive sa driver, I make sure a different car, hindi yung kotse ko. I'm not really comfortable with the driver driving my own car, no? Let's just put it that way. So, for this one, so sad. Nasira to. Itong napakagandang grill na to. Nasira. But take a look at this, may crash pad. Buti may crash pad. Sinalo niya yung impact. So, the bumper is sira. Hindi naman nasira yung fog lamps natin. Umabot yung tama dito. Of course, na misalign. Hindi ko lang alam. No, I think the headlight is buo. Kasi, I think this is part of the grill. This one. So I think kahit ako to my level, I think I can fix this one. Because I believe you can order everything from Toyota, from Casa. Kung wala man available dito, i-order nila. So you just have to wait. I think so. Nararamdaman ko lang, no? Kasi this one I think is a different piece. So pwede siyang bilhin. The grill, of course, pwede mo siyang biling buo. And the whole bumper, plastic lang naman to. Itong buong to, nakabuo kasi yan. So, pwede mong bilhin isang buong assembly na. How much? I don't know. No? Pero, this car kasi is under warranty pa ata. Since brand new na 2023 and may insurance. So, I told them, hindi pa alam ng mother-in-law ko, father-in-law ko na nabangga kagabi. Gagalit yun. So, deal with the warranty first and insurance. Kung paano papagawa, malamang babalik sa kasa to. Tapos sila na bahala para walang gastos. Pero kung hindi, I can fix this. I'm sure. I just have to buy all the parts from Toyota Casa. Orderin to, ito. Wala na yan. Ito hindi naman na misalign. Buti hindi nabasag yung headlight, no? Tapos, install back everything lang. Madali lang naman, no? Ang mahirap lang, syempre, yung paint correction. Or paint match, sorry. Paint match. Pero di naman na pearl white ba to? This is the pearl white yun. Medyo mahal ang paint ng pearl white. And mahal ang parts, malamang. Kasi this is the Elite. But installing back, kaya ko nga gawin dito sa bahay. Baka kaya ni Fox eh. Diba? Itong ganito, I think kaya ni Fox yan. Pero marami tayong shops na pwede pagdalan. Nito, 2 or 3 shops. Biling ko, tapos papakabit doon para sa pintura din, no? Wala namang nag-ilaw doon sa dash. Chinek ko kagabi. Luckily, walang airbag na nag-deploy. Kasi problema yun. If nag-deploy ang airbag, need to clear, tapos mabubutas yung dash, ayusin mo yung dash. Mas painful yun. So, buti na lang din, sinalo nito. No? Pero, wala, cheap materials. No? Kung nakita yung picture ng L3, walang nasira. Yung steel plate dito, yung tapakan. Walang sila, walang damage. So, ang damage talaga is nasa atin, nasa Elite. So, malamang nakatutok yung driver or nagte-text, mabilis. Ayan. Yan ang nangyari, no? So, in-update ko lang because it's a unfortunate event. Buti walang nasaktan, no? Let's see where it goes kung ipapagawa sa atin or Casa na to. Pero malamang Casa to kasi warranty and insurance. Pero kung sa atin, hindi may episode tayo, kaya ko gawin yan, I will take on the challenge. Kasi may Casa naman, so I can buy parts. As long as I can buy parts, kaya natin ikabit yan. Niisip ko nga dito sa bahay kabit eh. papapinturahan ko muna itong mga to. Kasi ito chrome naman, bibili mo as is na yun. No? So, that's it. An-update ko lang kayo sa Elite kasi kagabi lang nangyari. So, ingat-ingat sa pag-drive. Thank you for watching.
Two different levels, I cannot relate.